afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What kind of reaction are you expecting from your boys after dropping points in the manner in which they did in Brekum last week?
I think a positive attitude. I want to see a positive attitude today because it seems like we have to do better than what we are doing in the league. So I need a positive attitude this afternoon.
What would you attribute to the fact that you're excelling in Africa, you are semi-finalists in the Confederations Cup, yet your domestic form is in sharp contrast to your performance in Africa?
It's due to fatigue. You know, the way it was arranged. You see, we play Wednesday, Sunday, Wednesday, 2 weeks. And then within the next Sunday, you see us going to Africa, coming back. This, like when we played against Mali, look at how tedious, how difficult the match was. And then immediately after the match, we never thought we'd go to Brekum, straight to Brekum. They should have allowed us to play maybe on Thursday, just to get, because when it comes to fatigue, the recovery rate is not the same. You understand me? Some can adopt within 1 hour, some will take a day before they recover. But we were asked to go there, another cut there. So along the line, it's the same boys I'm rotating, the same boys. And this is the first experience in Africa. We are playing Africa, we are playing league. We are also defending the FA Cup in Ghana. It's not an easy thing, but it's not an excuse. We are trying to get our asses together, and at least we should survive the relegation and then make sure that the coming year we'll prepare well and face the league.
In recent times, you've stuck to the 3-back system and you seem to be succeeding.
Well, that is the formation, but during the course of play, it changes.
Explain it to me.
Explain it to you in this context, that when the moment you stand with 3-5-2, they call it formation. Then the system comes in. That is where the movement starts. And then the tactical moves, the predetermined moves will end your system well. The way they move with football and then the way they move without football. So I will start static. It's 3-5, 3-5-2. But during the course, it changed to 4. At any given time when we lose possession, it's 4 or 5 even. So it's just a static. Remember, I'm from what do you call it? Multi-system school. So we don't go strictly on this or that. But at the end of the day, we finish and then we get what we wanted.
Ejani Boateng has been an integral part of this formation you talk about. You are missing him today. Will it affect your chances?
Well, in terms of chances, I just want us to create. When we create, then Ejani has been spoiling a lot of chances of late. Even though you score 1, but at the end of the day, you see that he has spoiled about 3 to 4 before scoring 1. So I think we do the same training together. So the one who's going to take over, maybe we'll do amendment. That's one nice thing about football. You always have the opportunity either to improve or to make amendments.
Kotoko have gone 6 games, 1 draw, 5 defeats in their last 6. You beat them in the first round. What kind of opposition are you expecting from them?
Seriously, I'm expecting them to come and fight here. You understand me? You have to see it coming because Kotoko is a big club and the change of events is worrying them. You understand? This one, it will pass. It's just change of events. So now that we are meeting them, we also have to double our effort to get what we want. We know they are coming like wounded tigers. They say the horse that is struggling to die, when you shoot the leg, according to Damba. So just like what Damba said it yesterday, he has been saying it all the time. So this is how it is. This is how it is.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Hi, Coach.
Hello, Nana.
You look like someone under pressure.
No, I don't.
Is your team
Nana, you
under
know me very well. If I'm under pressure, you will see.
Is your team under pressure to deliver?
We are not under pressure.
You have not won in your last 6 Premier League games.
Yes, you are right.
How does that make you feel?
It's a very difficult situation we find ourselves, but we are working hard towards it to turn things around.
Mukwala starts on the bench today.
Yeah.
Carlo Ouattara starts ahead of him.
Yeah.
You've not made so many changes, but there's also Nana Bain who's played, few games this season. Some have said that your inconsistency with your playing squad on match days is the reason you're struggling in the league.
I know Nana Bain playing. Bonsu had a knock last week. During midweek. So Nana Bain is readily available to take over, and that's what you've seen.
Dreams FC are equally struggling domestically, but their form in Africa is in sharp contrast to what they are doing. What's going to be your approach to this game here?
Yeah, we're going to be very cautious and make sure we don't concede and try and win it.
They have an exceptional player in Issa who scored against you last weekend. He might not be playing, but there's John Entry. There's also, you know, those budding stars in Godfrey de Tiahine.
Yeah.
Defensively, it's not looked good for you. How do you intend to contain them?
Like you rightly said, they've been playing well in Africa, but this is Ghana. So we'll try and make sure we stop them.
Are you going to win your first game in 7 matches?
Yeah, we will do our best to get a decent result here, like I always say.
All the best.
Thank you.